Dear friends, today I will continue with another section from chapter 20 of the Indian Patent Act or the Patents Act 1970. The title of section 121 is Wrongful Use of Words Patent Office. Okay, so we shall proceed with our key points. If any person uses on his place of business or any document issued by him or otherwise the words patent office or any other words which would reasonably lead to the belief that his place of business is or is officially connected with the patent office, he shall be punishable with imprisonment for a term which may extend up to 6 months or with fine or with both. Fine, just observe the underlined words. Okay, so in short I can say that a person cannot use the word patent office or something related at his place of business, okay, or his shop. That means something related to his business, and if he does so, he will be punished for a term up to 6 months imprisonment or with fine or with both. Fine. So it is written like if any person uses the word patent office at his place of business or on any documents issued by him or otherwise or any other words which reasonably lead to the belief that his place of business or is officially connected with the patent office, he shall be punishable with imprisonment up to 6 months or with fine or with both. Okay friends, so this way section 121 is completed, that is whose title is wrongful use of words patent office. Fine, so next we will proceed to section 122 and the title is refusal or failure to supply information. Fine, so we will proceed through our key points. Subsection 1 says if any person refuses or fails to furnish clause A to the central government any information which is required to furnish under subsection 5 of section 100, clause B says to the controller any information or statement which he is required to furnish by or order or under section 146. Fine. He shall be punishable with fine which may extend up to 10 lakh rupees. Just read it properly, the subsection 1, with emphasizing on the underlined words. Fine. So, and here is section 100 is mentioned. The title of section 100 is power of central government to use inventions for purposes of government, and the specific subsection here is subsection 5 of section 100. Okay, then section 146, the title is power of controller to call for information from patentees. Fine, and subsection 2 says if any person being required to furnish any such information as is referred to in subsection 1 furnishes information or statement which is false and which he either knows or has reason to believe to be false or does not believe to be true, he shall be punishable with imprisonment which may extend up to 6 months or with fine or with both. That means the furnishing of false information here is punishable up to imprisonment for 6 months or with fine or with both. Okay, so friends, this way section 122 is also completed. So we can say section 121 and section 122 of chapter 20 of Indian Patent Act are completed. So please go through both the videos. Please go through the bare act as well. If you have any queries, any compliments, please write down in the comment box. And thank you so much for watching my video and listening to me. Stay safe, stay blessed.